Hello everyone, this is Amber from Resin Packaging. We are specializing in mold packaging, designing and manufacturing. Today I would like to show you a new packaging. It is produced by wet pressing process and made from sugarcane paper material. We use all biodegradable materials, which can completely evaporate and degrade 3 months. The color of the paper tray is the original color of the raw material. Because our product is zero pollution, zero emission, and the wastewater can be reused. Let's take a look at the paper tray. One side is smoother, and the other side has test mixture. We design each product from your samples, so it fits perfectly. On the paper tray, we can customize any logo for you. If you are interested in this product and you have required about it, just feel free to contact us. We are offering the free design service and free sampling.